Hi, this is Shirley from BeUDMKE Motors. So today I will show you one cute DC gear motors. So first, let's have a look about the specification for this motor. The flex size for this motor is 180, and the rated power for this motor is 10 kilowatt. And 10 kilowatt is very high the power. The voltage for this motor is DC 72, and the rated speed for this motor is 3000 RPM per minute. Also, we have this is a gearbox, and this is a motor, and we have the brake encoder and the temperature sensor side of this motor. And this is a controller. It's very big size also, right? Actually, it's very huge now. The size is already similar like me, like a people, like a person. So it's amazing, right? So if you have any inquiries about the motors, please just let me know. The power range which we can make for the brushless DC motor is from 5 volts to 25 kilowatts. See you, bye bye.